Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your battery report of your laptop in depth using the CMD. You don't need any third-party application for it. Now, in order to do it, just simply open your command promote as administration, run it as administrator. Once you do that, just simply open the command promote, and here in the shell, you need to write power CFG with a space and forward slash write battery report. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and it says battery life report will be saved to this path. You can see the path. Now just simply go to this path and find that particular HTML file. And once you open the file, it will open something like this. Now here you can see all the details of the battery cycle or the battery health of your laptop. You can check the manufacturer name and even the current capacity, the cycle count of a battery and many more. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.